Hey, thanks for tuning in today. So we got us a little product right here we're gonna unbox and check out, see what we think. So this is by Four Wheeler Concepts. These are 1.5" by 8" ratcheting tie downs. So they are, let's see, brake strength is at 5,300 pounds. Working load limit is 2,650. Yeah, so they come in a pretty nifty box. It's got a little handle on there. So I don't know if you guys can see this very well. See that sticker right there? It's by Freedom Ropes. If you guys know Freedom Ropes, you guys know quality. I expect nothing but the best out of this. So let's check it out. All right, so let's open this thing up and see what we got here. I honestly haven't seen these yet. I heard about them. I seen a couple of pictures a while back when they were first throwing this idea around and stuff. But I literally just got this 2 days ago. Oh. Okay, so let's get this up here. So, all right, we got. Get off me. So here's the ratchet side. Everything looks pretty good. I mean, the material on here, as far as thickness and everything, durability wise, feels pretty good. It's got a rubber coated or kind of a plastic coated handle with their logo on it. Can you guys see this webbing? That's some pretty stout stuff there. I've been using ratcheting tie downs for years, and that's always kind of been one of my things, is trying to find a good quality ratchet strap, as far as the webbing and material and stuff goes. So, and then this is the other side. Well, there it is. And then basically there's 4 in a set here. Let's get these out of the way. And then it comes with this nice little bag right here, so you can roll them up, put them in there, keep them from getting all tangled up. And then what is this? Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, okay. So these are like little wraparounds. So if you need to go like over, say like handlebars on a motorcycle or a quad or something, or over a control arm that's painted and you don't want to scratch it, so you can use these right here. So your hooks aren't riding on your painted surfaces. But first off, here's one thing that I noticed is it has this little, I don't know what you want to call it, kind of like a lock, a little flip tab on here. Makes it really nice when you're loading stuff by yourself. So if you throw it over the top of something and you have I should have had one ready, but if you have a conventional tie down, here, let me grab this one real quick. So this one has an open hook on the end, and they work great. But the problem is if you're throwing it over the side of your trailer and you're just hooking onto the rail, so it's like this, and then you let the tension off to run to the other side, well, this thing falls off, and then you're over here fishing trying to get this thing to hook back on. So the nice thing about these ones is this thing will keep enough pressure on there that hook won't fall off as you're going around to get the other side set up and ratcheted down. With this system, what you can do is you can take this, go around your axle or your control arm, whatever you're tying it down on, and say you have this on with this open loop system, and something happens, maybe you're on your way home from a trip and you picked up a nail or something and the tire goes flat on the way home. So now this thing drops down and you have slack in your line. Well, this thing just pops off, starts rocking. Next thing you know, now you got all kinds of stuff going on because there's nothing hooked to it. When you have these guys on here, it's on there. So even if that tire pressure deflates and you end up with slack in the line, at least, you know, yeah, it's gonna be kind of banging a little bit or whatever, but it's still on there. It can't just fall off. So that's one of the nice things I like about these closed hook systems over just a conventional open hook system. So, but yeah, cool. Let's see here. We'll hook one on there. Take this one. There. Run this guy through right here. Just like you use any other ratchet strap. Well, she's held up, and you know, you gotta say it, she ain't going nowhere. So anyways, all in all, I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, 10 stars, whatever your rating is. These things are right up there. If you guys like these, you want to get your own, head on over to Freedom Ropes, hit them up, tell them that you seen this on Off-Road Stuff. Uncle Sandcrab sent you. They'll get you guys hooked up. Jeez, I'm fumbling everything today. Right there. There's all the info you need. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification, and most importantly, be safe. And we'll see you guys on the trail or at the gas station. I don't know, maybe the grocery store. Wherever you guys are out and about, don't be afraid to stop, say hi, shake my hand, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.